Hello, hello, hello. I'm Dory, coming you from Saytown. That's hip hop for SA or San Antonio, appealing to my hip hop people. Well, you're gonna try I don't know if it's yummy. I normally try yummy things, but this one's gonna be kind of dubious. I'm breaking into the vegan, or is this vegan? It's a half a gallon and has 50% more calcium, if that's a clue. I hope I'm more hygienic today. So it's a drinkable item. Hopefully good. And I got the Almond Breeze chocolate milk. I thought that might make it more palatable. All right, let's see. I haven't actually had any milk in a long time. Which way do I open the car? Oh, it's a pourable thing. I haven't had one of those. All right. Break off the little seal. All right. Here we go. Oh, got some on the table. I get a pretty good amount. I need some calcium, and I'm pretty confident, since I got the chocolate variety, that it might be palatable. Clean this mess up before we indulge. All right, here we go. Ready? Bottoms up. Tastes like chocolate water. It's watery. It doesn't taste like milk. It tastes like maybe not, it honestly tastes like chocolate water. I mean, it's, maybe you could, I wonder if you could freeze it and eat it like a slushy tasty freezer product. So anyway, chocolate water. I don't know how much this was. I'm thinking like in the $4 category or $6. I guess I'll keep it and drink it. 100 calories per serving. I guess it would be nice to drink just when you wake up. You don't want anything real heavy to eat. So I guess it's okay. We have another product we're going to try. It's a freezer product, and it's also in the vegan category or vegetarian. So we'll probably try that one tomorrow. I have to refreeze it because when it was delivered by HEB, it didn't keep its frozen shape. So we'll probably try that one tomorrow. All right, toodles.